Hi, my name is Tommy, and I'm pretty much done on the inside of the sauna at the moment. So the next step is to build a little deck that I'm gonna have in front of the sauna here. So that's the thing we're going to build today. Hopefully, if everything goes to plan. There is a little bit of a storm at the moment, so it might be a bit difficult, but I think we'll get it done. So I'm really happy with the inside this far. I only have a couple of small trimmings and things to do, but today we're going to build a deck that is about as wide as the sauna front there. And after the deck is done, we're gonna build a staircase up to the house. So there will be small steps all the way up here, so we can easily walk up here and not slip on the grass. And I wanted to show you a trick my dad showed me yesterday to measure that this is exactly 90 degrees between these two boards. Then you can use a measuring tape and a pencil and just measure here from this corner out to here that it's exactly 60 centimeters, and here to here that it's exactly mark out 80 centimeters. And then you know that this last piece of the triangle will be exactly 100 centimeters. So you can adjust it from there. So you know this should be exactly 100 centimeters, otherwise it won't be straight between these two boards. So it's a good number to have in your mind and remember. So 60 centimeters, 80 centimeters, and it creates a triangle of 100 centimeters on the last piece.